Check it out. We got barbecue chicken, cubed beforehand, barbecued on the grill, corn, poblano peppers, red peppers, green peppers, jasmine rice, peas, that's their corn. Yeah, all mixed together. Cooked it on the grill. Say hi, Miss Kitty. What's up, Miss Kitty? Say hi. No? Butthead. Anyway, cooked it all on the grill out there. And, so, we're, say hi, Phil. Hi. So anyhow, it's, really good. I know somebody that would be like, that's NOMZ. But, anywho, just wanted to say, check it out, or, try it. Do it sometime. You heard what I put in there. Later.